Okay, so Sudeshna, thanks a lot for coming on your PDA education and sharing your entire journey. Thanks a lot
Okay.
for that.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for this opportunity that you gave me now.
Okay, Sudeshna, your journey is inspirational. Uh,
Thank you, sir.
I know you as you are my student also in counseling part,
Yes, sir.
and I know your journey also, and I'm very sure whatever you are going to say now, that will be
Yes, sir.
very very motivating for many students over there, right?
Yes,
So
sir, sir. Thank you.
let's start it. Before I ask you to introduce briefly yourself to all of us, let me tell you, you graduated in 2017, and then after repeated failures, I'll say
Yes, sir.
failure word if you permit me to say that.
Yes, sir. Sure.
Repeated failure in not only gate exam, but you had personal front also, you had some kind of debacles in your life.
Yes, sir.
Despite of all that, 2017 or now to 2021, so last 4 years you had really tough time personally,
Yes, sir.
professionally,
Yes,
and
sir.
now
Sure.
with God's grace you have attained one particular selection, and that is IIT Kharagpur. You have got
Yes,
medical
sir.
imaging, I think MTech you got
Medical imaging and informatics and tech. Yes,
informatics,
sir.
yeah. So this entire journey is very very motivational and inspirational, so let's
Yes,
start now in that direction. So
yes, sir.
over to you, Sudeshna, very brief introduction of yours.
Sir, I graduated in 2017. I did my BTech from Netaji Subhash Engineering College in Information Technology. Back then, without much preparation, because of my best friend told me that we should take GATE, and I did. After giving the GATE exam, I understood that I should prepare for it. And then nothing much to do. I joined job because I was already placed in TCS. There I joined, and after joined, I TCS in ILP was really good. There after that, I was placed in Mumbai. There I had some personal problems related to mother's health and all. Because of that, I had to leave the job, and I came back home and I prepared for GATE. In 2019, I had very much less amount of time, so I did whatever I could do because I started from scratch. So, but I couldn't get the qualifying marks. I got 24 point something, and qualifying marks was 28. Uh,
Mhm.
and then after that, I prepared. I took a. It was a heartbreaking thing for me because even if it was less preparation, but I still did. Then 2020, I started preparing, but it was some mental health issues came in my way of mine only, not others. So 2020, it was like a disaster, but I still prepared and I gave the exam. And then after my exam, my father passed away, so it was the darkest time of me and my mother both. Then after a lot of difficulties, so then I gathered myself and I prepared for 2021. This year I got gate score of 450, and with that and with their help and I and all the panels, and I filled the IIT's form, and COPE round one I got IIT Kharagpur, medical imaging and informatics in MTech in this. And today I froze that branch, and I'm waiting for IIT Kharagpur's mail or anything. What next their procedure is and how to give money and all.
Great.
That is now from
Now, Sudeshna, I need some data from your side.
yes, sir.
You graduated in 2017, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What was your
2017.
CGPA that time? What is the CGPA in
Yes, sir. 8.24.
8.24? And Sudeshna, you this what is your category? If you can tell me that.
Yes, sir. General EWS.
General EWS, and your gate score this 2021 was 450,
Yes, sir.
right?
450. Yes, sir.
450 was the gate score. So,
Yes, sir.
what happened if I ask you about the journey 2017 to 2021? It is 5 years for gate.
Yes, sir.
What happened in 2017?
Sir, 2017, even before GATE, I was placed in TCS. So, because of my economical condition, I didn't, and also I had very less knowledge of GATE back then. I should have, but it was my flaw. I didn't. Because of my best friend told me that you should, we should prepare for GATE. No, he prepared me. Then I took the examination without any preparation, and I remember the first question was from BFS, which was very easy. Second question was from NatChat in OS, which was also very easy. And I forgot the formula only. So I remember with a lot of regret, I came back that I should have prepared for GATE. So this happened in 2017. After that, I had in mind that I will prepare for GATE someday. But anyhow, I joined TCS that year.
जॉब लग गया था एंड देन आपने तैयारी भी नहीं किया था और 17 में आपका क्वालिफाई नहीं हुआ, राइट?
No, sir.
18 में क्या हुआ? व्हाट हैपेंड इन
So in
2018?
2018, I think I have filled the form before even joining TCS. But my like the test center was Kolkata. I didn't change the test center also, and I was in Mumbai. I forgot about all this thing, in all the hassle and everything I was going through in Mumbai. I forgot about exam, and I didn't take the exam
So
2018.
2018 also got over because of TCS. Okay.
Yes,
Then
sir. Actually,
2019. What happened in
yes, sir.
2019?
In 2018, I left my job, and after that, I started serious preparation. With seriously preparing. In 2019, I remember I could not give test series and all because I started exactly from scratch with no knowledge like gate level. Just semester level is different and gate level is different. So I prepared, but without any test series and anything. Like just for very few months. 2019. I got 24 point something marks, and the qualifying marks was 29. I remember that.
Okay.
So I did not qualify to
Okay.
2019.
19 में क्वालिफाई नहीं हुआ और 20 में क्या हुआ? 2020?
2020 after 2029, sorry, 2019, 2019. So after that, I was heartbroken a little bit, and 2020 I had some mental health issues with my anxiety and insomnia. So because of that, I could not prepare much. I did prepare a lot, but before gate exam, I was like devastated kind of thing. So 2020, I got 25 or 26. That also don't remember properly because the day exam result, when the result came the next day, before the result came out, my father passed away. So it's like a blurry thing for me. It was so the darkest time of my life, and the day I got the result, the next day I had to go to do all the last rites of my father, all the rituals we have to do. I did. So it was like the darkest time. So 2020, this happened only.
And then what happened 2021?
After 2020, this gate did not happen. I thought of leaving gate preparation because I was not thinking straight, because I was a person like whatever it takes, I will get this. I will take the gate exam very seriously because gate has no age limit and all. But because of all this, my mental health, and then my father passed away. My mother is still taking medicine, and she is not. She hasn't recovered yet full. I am also recovering from the demise of my father. So after 2020, it took me a lot of months to come to terms, and then I started preparing again for 2021. Not excruciatingly preparing like 2020. But slowly I did. And then this year I took test series also before going to exam. So that was because I've seen your videos that take test series seriously. Then 2021, this year I got gate score of 450. Then 6639 is my gate rank.
Mhm. Okay.
So
And finally got selected in IIT Kharagpur.
yes, sir. It's a COPE round. In COPE
And
only
that
I
is
got.
Kharagpur you wanted because you are from West Bengal, right?
Sir, yes, yes. My mother was like first day Kharagpur. My mother told me like freeze it because it's near to
Our
our
place.
home. Yes, please freeze it and all.
So
So
how
yes,
far is your home from Kharagpur?
not very far. We can take a train, and we can go there. It's not very far. In
Great.
a day's journey, we can go. It's closest to my home. Other than all other IITs, Kharagpur
So
is closer.
are you feeling now little relieved because of after 4 5 years of
Yes,
uh,
sir. It is lot because after so many like failures after failure, and like even I'm not a jealous person. Like others are doing great in their jobs, but it was my decision. I left job because I have economical situation at home. My father passed away. Even before my father passed away, his job was not. He had some issues with his job, so like I used to feel the burden that I have to get something to support my parents because all others are also doing that, and they are doing great in their jobs. But still, I had this in mind, like what will happen if I fail also this time, for what, like this always had in mind. But still I prepared, and leaving preparation was not an option for me because I have prepared a lot, and I don't think they're leaving the preparation for anyone, like not me, like anyone. It shouldn't be like if you have prepared, you will get someday, and gate has no age limit. So that is also a good
so
thing.
can I say like it was a very tough time for you? Why? Because
Yes,
you were to earn money also and you left your job also and then
yes,
your
sir.
father died also. in between,
Yes,
and
sir. Yes,
then
sir.
you had anxiety, insomnia problem. So it was a very tough time, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It was really a very tough time. And after this test result, I was skeptical that should I will I get college in like in this rank? As you have told in many videos that we will get something out of this rank and all, but still like hearing stories and getting something is different. So after the COPE round one, I was like ecstatic. See, the first round I have got a college. I had that too IIT Kharagpur. It's like I couldn't believe it. Like after so many failures in life that came in my path, and like if I thought that my father would have faced the present today, he would have jumped out of happiness. But that also is there. So, but still, I am happy. My mother is happy. My uncle, my mama actually, who is the person who told me to give gate like 5 years back or joint like when I was in school. So he is the one, and he is happiest too. And my other relatives, my friends, my family, they are also really happy for with me for my
Okay.
this. Yeah.
Yeah, that's great. So a couple of months back, just before Gate, I just posted one story of a girl whom I know,
Yes, sir.
and
Yes,
she,
sir. Yes, sir.
remember,
This girl. Yes,
she's
sir.
in
Yes,
New York. She
she is
lost her
in your.
father.
She
Mhm.
lost her father.
So
She lost her mother, and she had to take responsibilities of her siblings who are
your
like.
story looks like similar to
So
that, Sudeshna.
yes, I remember I was sitting with my mother, and I was having morning tea, and I told my mother that this sir posted this girl's video, and she has an inspiring journey. Like she lost her father and mother, she had to take so many responsibility. Still, she cracked IIT, cracked gate, and got into IIT Bombay. Then now she's doing great. Like this journey inspired me. Like 1 week back, 1 week before gate exam, I saw that video and it was so motivating. Like it was like before gate exam, it was the best video you can see before going to exam.
Okay. So Sudeshna, it was a tough time for you, and we are very happy, all of us here, that
Yes, sir.
now
Thank
you
you,
got
sir.
it, and
Yes, sir.
God bless you with success later on. Now,
Yes, sir. Sure.
Sudeshna, I come to second part. You know,
Yes, sir.
I know you are a YouTuber also. You send me
Yes,
one
sir.
your YouTube video
So,
also, and where you are teaching.
yes, sir.
So,
Gate
yeah,
computer science and IT.
so you are teaching there and everything. So, what do you want to do now after masters? If I can
Uh,
ask you that,
so
what is?
my aspiration is that I want to do PhD.
Mhm.
I hope I can get that
Mhm.
after like this is my. I think I try for it first. The first thing
Mhm.
I will try for PhD.
Okay. So you will go for PhD after masters, and
Yes,
maybe
sir.
then after you think of some career
Yes, sir.
opportunity.
Sir, yesterday only I saw this Vikas. I don't remember his last
Yeah,
name. I
because
messaged him, sir.
okay,
So it was a great video, sir.
yeah,
I messaged
because
him.
there are there are students, there are people
Yes, sir.
who are pursuing career out of their interest and temperament. Like you left TCS. TCS is supposed to be very good job, and
Yes,
then
sir.
you left TCS because that was the time you decided, no, I want to pursue my domain of interest,
Yes, sir.
teaching or academics or something. There's so many such, interviewing people, and I'm realizing only thing what we have to do is we have to show the role models. As of
Yes,
now,
sir.
we lack role models. There are people, there's a rat race, like job, job, job. Everybody should
Yes,
run
sir,
after
sir.
that. So you should not be in the rat race. You should pursue your interest, howsoever it is difficult. It was not easy journey for you either. I mean,
Yes,
you
sir.
could have been TCS earning money, and majority of people would have taken that decision that abhi
Yes.
meri family mein disturbance hai and I will continue with my job. I cannot
Continue.
prepare as of now. But then there's a time then you took a decision that no, I want to pursue my interest. And in my opinion, you can only do justice with your profession if you do it by choice.
Yes, sir.
You
Sure.
cannot do justice if you become teacher not by choice. Then you cannot be a good teacher. And
Yes.
similar to every profession. So
Yes, but with your whole heart, you should do
yes,
whatever it is you are doing, sir. I feel that
yes,
because even if I would have been TCS and no problems would have been there, but in back of my mind would have that I should prepare for gate because that
yes.
is my heart belongs that I should prepare for gate even if failures are coming and all. I think no one
Wait,
should leave.
Abhi, that is what I'm trying to do. Sudeshna, what I'm trying to
Yes,
do is I'm trying to interact with the people like you, people like Vivek, people like Simran, जिनका मैंने अभी recently video डाला है. I want to interact with them, and their story I want to show to others. Like So
Yes, sir.
every story, every journey gives you something. It gives you some kind of motivation. You know,
Yes,
विवेक का
sir, sure.
story कुछ और motivation देगा, तुम्हारी story कुछ और motivation देगा, and every student can identify himself or herself with someone. Like you
Yes,
could
sir.
identify yourself with that
The
New York girl.
New York, New
Yeah.
York,
So
the girl, IIT
somebody
Bombay.
will identify himself or herself with you also. That
Yes,
this is
yes,
what has happened, and if Sudeshna can go through this journey, why can't I? This is what actually is required, and this is what I'm trying to
yes,
do.
sir. Because this is very inspirational. Because the girls' video, it was so good, and it was so inspirational that if a person also can lose parents and take so many responsibilities and still prepare for gate and don't give, not giving up. So anyone can do it. I felt. And that
Okay.
day I felt like
Yeah,
anyone can do it.
that was great. Now, Sudeshna, let me ask you a couple of more things related to your this gate process after gate exam. Your
Yes, sir.
CGPA is very good, 8.24, and your gate score, though it is not very high or something, but it is okay. So,
Yes,
did
sir.
you get calls from somewhere else also, like MS or PhD courses also? Did you get
Yes,
calls?
sir. So the first mail I got was Sitara, IIT Bombay.
Hmm.
But due to some issues, I 2 minutes late I gave the assignment, so I got cancelled there. So
Okay.
and then IIT Indore, I filled the form, and that day only I filled the form, and I gave so many wrong information along with my date of birth. Also, I gave a lot of wrong information, and I remember I called you, sir, that this happened.
आपका
You said,
10th का जो है और आधार का जो डेट ऑफ बर्थ का इशू है, दैट सेम है.
No, no, actually, no, no. Everything is same in my like the hard copies are same. While filling the forms, I
Okay, you
only
by
gave wrong
mistake.
information by
Okay, okay,
mistake
okay.
because of like maybe I was
Hmm.
thinking of IIT Bombay and I gave wrong information. I
Hmm.
remember I called you, sir. You said focus on the next interview that is coming, so I did that. So IIT Madras MS interview I took, and the result is not out yet.
Okay.
So MS Computer Science, and then IIT Guwahati
So IIT
PhD.
Madras MS Computer Science also you got call from, huh?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Hmm.
So, and IIT Guwahati PhD in nanotechnology, I got called. That day only IIT Madras and IIT Guwahati the same day I had these interviews, and IIT Guwahati also I haven't got the results are not out yet, so I
Hmm.
don't know. Other this is what I got
Okay,
from
this
now.
calls. Okay.
Okay.
So we wish that you get multiple more selections,
Thank
Sudeshna.
you, sir.
And
Thank you.
Sudeshna, before we end up, what message you have for so many thousands of students over there?
Sir, I just want to say, even if life gives you so many pains, and if you are like, because of this COVID, so many people have lost so many loved ones, so it has
That's true.
happened. So I want to tell you that anyone, if is watching, that if you are going through rough phase, I also, not because of COVID, but I also had faced all these issues. So if you are preparing for anything, like not only GATE, but GRE, CAT, or any IAS exams you are preparing, so just don't give up because others are telling you or others are doing jobs, and if you have prepared once or twice, if you have failed, but still don't give up, keep going, one day we'll get success. I felt that winners don't quit and quitters don't win. That is my bio, it's everywhere. Like last year, I was at that position, like, and I was feeling low and all. I saw this quote somewhere, and I took a screenshot, and now I have posted it everywhere. Like, so I feel that you should not quit, you should go on. Even you are facing a lot of problems, you should not give up, because there you will get everything what you want somewhere down the line. So that I
That's
wanted to say.
that's great. So Sudeshna, we come to an end of this really good session with you, and it's quite inspirational. I'm going
Yes,
to
sir.
put it on YouTube, and
Yes, sir.
let's see. It helps so many people. It will help so many people over there. Thanks
Yes,
a
yes.
lot once again, Sudeshna, for sharing your entire journey with me today.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for this opportunity, and thank you for your help always, sir. It's
Thank
been
you.
great.
Thank you, Sudeshna.